Nagkonvena bilang impeachment court ang Senado nitong May 18. Ayan ay matapos mayakyat ng Kamara ang Articles of Impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte nitong May 13. Present ang 23 senador na nanumpa bilang Senator Judge kabilang si Senator Robin Padilla. Absent naman ang kanyang itinaka sa Senador Bato de la Rosa ilang araw matapos umalis ng madaling araw sa Senado ng May 14.
With 23 senator judges present, the chair declares the presence of a quorum. I state your name. Solemnly swear that in all things appertaining to the trial of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, now pending, I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution and the laws of the Philippines. So help me God.
10 calendar days ang ibinigay para pagpaliwanagin ang bise sa mga reklamong nakahain sa kanya bago mag-proceed sa trial proper ang Senado.
Let a writ of summons be issued to the Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, who is directed to file her answer within a non-extendable period of 10 days from receipt, pursuant to Article 7 of the Rules of Procedure of Impeachment Trial. She is directed to appear before the session hall of the Senate of the Philippines upon notice.
Kasabay rin ito ang dalawang senador na sina Senador Mig Zubiri at Senador JV Ejercito na nag-abstain sa boto nitong May 11 ay sumapi sa minority. Sa ngayon, 13 ang nasa majority, 11 naman sa minority.
I would like to be associated with the minority bloc, Mr. President, if I may. Binatikos nga ako nila, sabi nila na ako ay nag-fence sitting at nag-abstain. Nag-abstain lang ako para have a free hand to vote on which issue that I think is important for the Filipino people. But when it comes to the organization, I would like to associate myself with the minority, Mr. President.
For now, Mr. President, I'll be with the minority.
Okay.
But again, I would like to thank you for
Yes.
that and for the respect. And we will all still be friends.